Fifth sum of your exercise is about a kite. A kite is flying. At a height of 60 meters. Okay? A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters. Now, it is given that the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground, and the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. मतलब the string is attached to the kite. String is temporarily attached to the ground. One end is with kite and another end with the ground. And the inclination of the string with ground is given as is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Not only that, we have to make one assumption that there is no slack in the string. The string is straight, there is no slack. Okay? So you are clear with this sum? Now I will draw a figure like this. Look here, this is AC is a string, okay, of length L meter, clear? And AB is a height of the kite, that is 60 meter, okay? And this inclination is given as 60 degree, clear? Inclination of this string with the ground is 60 degree. This is my figure. I should draw it again. -60 Is it clear? Now, see, first of all I introduce the notation AC represents string of length. I assume its length is L. So L I have to calculate. AB is a height of the string. Kite is flying. And the inclination, that is ACB, is 60 degree. This is given. And you are asked to find L. I have converted the sum in a mathematical form. Okay? So now my solution is very simple. जो है वो यही है, figure and introduction of the figure. Now from figure, I should take a ratio which includes H as well as L. So that ratio is nothing but sin 60, okay? Because sin 60 is opposite side upon hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is to be calculated and my height is given. Sin 60 is AB upon L. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is 60 upon L. And that implies L is 60 into 2 by root 3. √3 को कैंसल कर दो. L will be 120 by √3. But 120 can be written as 40 into 3. So it is 40 into 3 by √3. So 40 √3 meter. What is the length of the string? 40 √3 meter. Now your sixth sum is about a boy, a 1.5 meter tall boy, is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. एक building है whose height is 30 meter, and from that building at some distance a boy is standing of length 1.5 meter. Okay, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So do you understand what is the question? You are given two things. One, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Okay, so we have to draw two objects. एक तो एक बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे और लड़के को खड़ा रख देंगे. The angle of elevation of the top of the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases. First the angle was 30 degree, and as you move towards the building it increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay, do you understand? Imagination करो जैसे आप वो लड़के आप ही हो. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Do you understand the question? What is the question? Now I will draw the figure. Suppose I will draw one building, big building, and another a boy of height 1 point. AB is a boy of height 1.5 meter. And from his eyes, matlab from this point. Eyes matlab this. Okay. From A, he is going to this PQ. Is a building. And from A, the angle of elevation of the top of the building, matlab this angle. Clear? This angle is given as 30. Now he walks towards the building. So now the new position is A dash. From A dash, his angle of elevation is of the top of the building is 60 degree. Okay? Clear? Now it becomes 30 degree to 60 degree. Find the distance between the two position. Matlab, suppose this is X meter and this is Y meter. So I am asked to find out X meter. Okay, I have to find out X meter. Now this is 1.5, so MQ is also 1.5 meter, but total distance is how much? 30. So only this much is 28.5 meter. Clear? Clear? So AB is a boy 1.5 meter tall. From sum I am writing this mathematical form of the sum. PQ represent a tall building of height a step ज्यादा important है 30 meter. Here figure is important and introduction of figure is important. So what is PM? I can calculate PM is 30 minus 1.5 meter. So it is going to become 28.5. Clear? Everything is ready. And my BB dax and this is suppose B dax. आदमी ऐसे चल के तो इधर ही आएगा ना. BB dax and A dax are same. And that is x meter, and that we should find out. Okay? Find out x. Question is clear? Suppose A dax is x meter, so I assume QB dax is equal to y meter, and that is nothing but MA dash. So introduction of figure is ready. Now I have to take help of figure. From figure, if you take triangle PMA, then I should take 1030 is 28.5 upon x plus y. And if I take triangle PMA, A dash, then I have to take 1060 and that is 28.5 upon y. Number 1 and number 2. Solving both the equation, you are going to get the value of x. Do you understand the procedure? Now see. Now from figure, what I am going to write in triangle PMA. I will take 1060 chota triangle is PM upon MA dash, and that is nothing but 28.5 upon y. Clear? So that implies root 3, 1060 is root 3. Root 3 is 28.5 upon y. And that implies my y is 28.5 upon root 3 meter. But I am not interested in getting y. I am interested in getting x. So now I will take another triangle जो मैंने बोला बड़ा 1030 लेंगे तो आएगा PM upon MA. And it will be 28.5 upon x plus y. So that implies 1060 upon 1030. This is a very important trick. Because you know when 1060 upon 1030 लेंगे, so it is root 3 upon 1 by root 3. So it is coming 3. So if I take the ratio, this 1060 का 28.5 and 1030 का 28.5 will be cancelled. And this x plus y is coming up. Denominator of denominator is numerator. And 1060 upon 1030 का value तो universal fact है 3. Okay? So 30 degree and 60 degree both are eliminated. It is x plus y upon y. So this gives me a very good relation between x and y. Okay? But y to I have calculated. X is coming to y. And y to I have calculated from first equation. So put the value of y. So x will be 2 into 28.5 upon root 3. So it is 57. 28.5 upon 2 is 57. 57 by root 3. I rationalize with root 3. So it is 57 into root 3 upon 3. And 3 19 are 57. So 19 root 3. What is the distance covered by that 1.5 meter tall boy? In order to increase my angle of elevation from 30 degree to 60 degree, distance covered is 19 into root 3 meter. You need not to write down value of root 3. You can write your answer in root 3. No one is going to give you wrong. Now sum number 7. 7 sum is from a point on the ground. एक point ground पे लेना है the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Matlab here in this sum you are given one building of height 20 meter on, and that building a transmission tower is to be fixed, and the height of the transmission tower is not known, but height of the building is known. And from a point at some distance from the building, the angle of elevation of top of the transmission tower and bottom of the transmission tower are respectively 45 degree and 60 degree, and you are asked to find out the height of transmission tower. Do you understand what is given in the sum? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the top, the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter height building. ट्रांसमिशन टावर आपने देखा होगा बिल्डिंग के ऊपर होता है, आर 45 डिग्री, बॉटम का 45 एंड टॉप का 60 डिग्री रिस्पेक्टिवली, एंड यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ टावर. देखो, it's a compound statement. I make it very simple. When I explain this sum, I make this statement very simple. एक ही स्टेटमेंट में बहुत सारी चीज दी है, हम उसको टुकड़े टुकड़े करके समझेंगे. कि first we understood that there is a building of height 20 meter. Then on the top of the building there is a transmission tower. Now at point P on the ground, at some distance x meter from the building, the angle of elevation of bottom is 45 and top of tower is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Clear? So how do I draw the figure? Tell me. I will draw a line. I write here ABC. Why? Because AB is a transmission tower of height h and BC is a building of height 20 meter. Both are on the same line, okay? Clear? Now there is a point, I will take one point on the ground, P, at a distance suppose x meter. The angle of elevation of B is 45 degree and that of A is 60 degree, okay? So this full angle is 60 degree and this part of the angle is 45 degree. Clear? Clear? And you are asked to find out h. Clear? इस फिगर में है ना, हट जाता है थोड़ा. Okay? Now I write it again. See here, it was not clearly written. So I write here point B. Now it is visible. Now I join this line. I join P and C. In such a way so that Clear? Now it is visible. Okay, this is 45. Okay ना? 15 दिखता है. 45 and the full angle is 60. Clear? Now I introduce the figure. Let AB is a transmission tower of height h meter. Okay. BC represent building of height 20 meter. Okay. And you are given two angle. एक दिया है angle BPC that is 45. Okay. And एक दिया है BAPC that is 60 degree. You are asked to find h. मैंने पूरे सम का मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म लिख दिया. ओके. नाउ मैं शुरू कर दूंगी फ्रॉम फिगर. क्या लिखूंगी? फ्रॉम फिगर. व्हाट आई विल टेक? पहले मैं 1045 लूंगी तो कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना पड़ेगा? इन ट्रायंगल BPC. राइट. क्या लूंगी मैं? 1045 is 20 BC upon PC. So 20 upon X. But 1045 is 1. So directly मेरा X तो मिल गया 20 मीटर. Actually I don't want to find out X, but I have got it. So I can use it in order to find out H. In future I required value of X also. Now दूसरा मैं क्या लूंगी फ्रॉम फिगर? 1060. 1060 क्या आएगा? ट्रायंगल APC. 1060 आएगा AC अपॉन PC. And AC upon PC is H plus 20 and PC is X. Right? Now 1060 is root 3. Right? H I don't know, but X I know, it is 20. I write it again. I will write here. So 1060 की जगह मैं क्या लिखूंगी? रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू H प्लस 20 अपॉन X. X की जगह मैं 20 लिख दूंगी. तो 20 रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू H प्लस 20. So my H will be 20 root 3 minus 20, so 20 common, root 3 minus 1 meter. Clear? What is my H is? H is 20 bracket में root 3 minus 1 meter. Clear? Therefore, height of tower is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. हो गया? Clear? Now, sum number 8. Sum number 8 is a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation, उसमें ट्रांसमिशन टावर था बिल्डिंग ऊपर, इधर पेडेस्टल पर एक स्टैच्यू है. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal. Now top of pedestal is nothing but bottom of statue. Is given as 45. वो ही sum, same sum है. Find the height of the pedestal. Do you find any difference here? Instead of transmission tower, you are given statue. Instead of building, you are given pedestal. From a point, angle of elevation of top and bottom. इसकी जगह इधर top of statue and top of pedestal. So same ही हुआ. वो भी है 60 and 45. Same. Right? ओनली फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पेडेस्टल. खाली इधर स्टेच्यू का हाइट दिया है 1.6 मीटर. इधर हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग पूछा है, वहां हाइट ऑफ टावर पूछा था. हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग वॉज गिवन. हियर हाइट ऑफ पेडेस्टल पूछा है एंड हाइट ऑफ स्टेच्यू इज गिवन. दैट इज द डिफरेंस. क्लियर? I think this sum even I will give you as a homework, then also you are able to do it. है? Statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of, stand जैसा बनाते हैं ना, उसको ये बोलते हैं pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation. एक ही चीज दी है, ओनली लिखने में थोड़ा चेंज किया है. एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द स्टैच्यू इज 60 डिग्री. वहां भी वही था. एंड from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of इसका टॉप लो या तो स्टेच्यू का बॉटम लो, एक ही बात है ना. is 45 degree. Find the height of the statue रखने के लिए जो बनाया है ना, उसका हाइट पूछा है. pedestal. First here I draw the figure and then I introduce the figure. देखो इधर भी हम लाइन बड़ा बनाएंगे. ए लिखेंगे, बी लिखेंगे, सी लिखेंगे. ए बी क्या लिखेंगे? 1.6 मीटर स्टेच्यू एंड इसका हाइट बीसी का एच लेंगे. दिस इज अ क्लियर. नाउ आई विल टेक 1 पॉइंट. फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट आई हैव टू टेक एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन ऑफ द top of the statue and angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Clear? So the pura angle is 60 degree, okay? And only this part of the angle is 45 degree. Suppose the distance is x meter. I have to assume. Ratio लेने के लिए तो assume करना पड़ेगा. Now I introduce the figure. BC represent pedestal of height h. Okay. AB is a statue 1.6 meter tall. P is a point on the ground. And what more is given? 2 angles are given. Okay. From figure, पहले मैं फिगर लेती हूँ, बड़ा ट्रायंगल लेती हूँ. कौन सा? APC. उसमें मैं क्या लूंगी? 1060. Why I have taken 1060? That I need not to explain now. Okay. AC upon PC बहुत बार बताया है. क्यों मैं ये लेती हूँ? क्यों मैंने sin 60 नहीं लिया? It is h plus 1.6 upon x. राइट. नाउ इसको एज इट इज रख दो. अब मैं 1045 लेती हूं तो वो आया BC upon CP and that will be h by x. But 1045 is 1. So my h and x are same. अगले सम में वही आया था. Number 1. Now this I am going to put in the second equation. Root 3 is h plus 1.6 upon h. x की जगह मैंने h लिख दिया. So it is root 3 h is equal to h plus 1.6. That implies root 3 minus 1 into h is 1.6, and that implies my h is 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now I will rationalize with root 3 plus 1. Okay, क्या आएगा? h is 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. You rationalize with root 3 plus 1. तो क्या आएगा? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon नीचे 3 minus 1. So 2. So 2 will be cancelled with this. So it is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is my height of the pedestal. Clear?